Hello guys, good day to you and welcome to today's video on the Crypto Fourth channel. My name is Chukemeka Miracle and I welcome you to today's video. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to just do a quick recap of Bitcoin ETF. Alright, so the trending news now is that Bitcoin, the SEC, that's the Securities and Exchange Commission, which is like one of the largest regulatory bodies for financial markets, from forex to stocks to bonds to binaries. They've approved trading of cryptocurrency. You understand? They've approved Bitcoin, that Bitcoin to be traded. And now, this made, let me just show us from the charts. If you, I know most of us must have heard the news. Most of us must have heard the news, and we've seen the pump of Bitcoin. Let me just show us from the chart. So today is what? Today is the 12th, and the approval came about 2 days ago. The approval came about 2 days ago, which made Bitcoin to sell. This is not Bitcoin. I just want to show us the highest price of Bitcoin as at when this approval came in. This is for gold. Okay, this is Bitcoin. Just put it in the 1 hour. And just this app I'm using is Trading View app. The app I'm using is Trading View app. Okay, so this was the highest point of Bitcoin after this approval came. Look here. This point here was the highest point of Bitcoin. 49,000. Look, let me just show you the line with so you understand it better. That spot there was the highest price of Bitcoin after this whole thing. 48,978. But in actual sense, Bitcoin reached 49,000. And if you trace these dates, this happened roughly the morning after this whole SEC approval came about. Now, if you look at it, after we hit 49,000, Bitcoin started to sell off. Bitcoin started to sell off. Bitcoin started to sell off. Look at the whole selling off it did. Bitcoin really started to sell off. Bitcoin started to sell off. And this night, right before I started making this video, I saw Bitcoin hit this particular price. I was following the charts. I saw Bitcoin hit this particular price, 41,500. Presently now, Bitcoin is selling at 42,000. Let's call it 42,500 naira. Sorry, $42,500 for one Bitcoin. You understand? But now, someone might want to ask that the thing is, the spot, the Bitcoin ETF that got approved, it brought in a lot of big players. All right. If you go to Twitter and just search for Bitcoin ETF, you will see it's a whole lot of Bitcoin, a whole lot of big players. Like we are talking of whales over here. We're talking of. Let me just see if I can just get. Let me just see if I can just get one or two materials for you to just know how massive this thing is. Let me see. Hold up. Let me just search for something. Let me search for Bitcoin ETFs. Now we're talking of people that have brought in billions of dollars. Billions of dollars. Let me see. Bitcoin ETF. Let me see. Okay. We're talking of giants, people like BlackRock, people like Fidelity that have brought in billions of dollars, and people like Grayscale. Wow, that brought in billions of dollars and are trading with it. All right, so you don't need to fear, you don't need to panic. If anything, now is the time to buy more, because the thing is, in trading, there's what is called premium pricing and there's what is called discount pricing. All right, so premium pricing is if you want to sell, you sell higher. It's basic business strategies. If you want to sell, you sell higher, and if you want to buy, you want to buy lower. Is that not? That's it. So if when those big boys came in, to see if I can get one or two material. I'm seeing to. All right, this is BlackRock CEO. It says, let me see. 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 Look at it here. Look at this. Just look at this. Look at this. $5 billion flowed into Bitcoin. Do you know what that is? $5 billion flowed into Bitcoin. And now, these people are not just the normal average trader like me and you. These are the ones that can move the market. You understand? They are the ones that if they want to buy something, they can make the market to drop. Look at Bitcoin's present price, 42,000. Look at it. You can follow it from over here. They can make the market to drop a whole lot. A whole lot. This thing they are doing, they just want to shake out some people. Look at this. Look at Bitcoin, for instance. Look at how it got to as low as 41,500. Now, this is the next. This is the leg. This is what they call testing the microphone before Bitcoin will catapult. You understand? So if you have the money now, even if it's at least as little as you have, just buy it and keep. All right. Look into BRC20 chain and all those stuffs and buy it and keep. And if your investment is there, don't worry about anything. Don't worry about anything. Just this is just the calm before the storm. All right, this is the calm before the storm. Like I was explaining earlier, in trading, there's what we call discount pricing and premium pricing. Okay, discount pricing is where you want to buy something for very cheap, while premium pricing is where you want to sell something for very cheap. You understand? So you just know that's just the basic difference. In business, you want to buy cheap and sell higher, right? You want to buy it for very cheap and then you sell very high for you to make profits. Now, if you want to, these big guys that came into the system now, that came into the environment, that came into the whole, after this whole sports approval that just happened, they are the ones beating down the price of Bitcoin. The truth is, I'm still looking, expecting Bitcoin to hit about $40,000 or even $38,500. I'm still looking for Bitcoin to get there because they have so much money. They don't want Bitcoin to get to its all-time high of about 60 something thousand dollars without them buying it very, very cheap. You understand? So what their game plan is to drive the price as low as possible, making people sell off their bitcoins to them, thinking that, because for instance now, I believe a whole lot of people have their portfolios have gotten liquidated. A whole lot. People that are shorting, people that are longing, people that are like, for instance, someone might have $50,000 in his portfolio with just this move of Bitcoin. And you know how crypto is? It's just that once Bitcoin sneezes, every other cryptocurrency is affected, probably except Ethereum. Just except Ethereum, but every other cryptocurrency, once Bitcoin sneezes, everything is affected. Now, with the portfolio of the person, let's say the person had $50,000, with what Bitcoin is doing now, the person might be seeing that his $50,000 is what about well, I say $50,000 is what about say 30 something thousand dollars. Let me just show you something. Let me show you something. But now the thing is, just hold on. All right, we've been through the bear market already. We're already in the bear season. We're already in the bull season. Okay, we've been through the bear market already. We're already in the bull season. I want to show us the various prices of various cryptocurrencies. I'm on CoinMarketCap. I just want to show us their most recent, their current prices. This is not the current price. This ain't the current price. Let me refresh this page. I have all these things on speed dial, so this doesn't work on me. Okay, it's open. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Everything. Look at, just see how Bitcoin is. See the ripple effect from Ethereum to BSC to BNB to Sol to XRP to ADA to Doge. This USDC is a stable coin. This number 7 is a stable coin, so it's not affected. To AVAX, to Doge, to DOT, to Tron, that is 3X, to Matic, to Link, to Ton. Just look at a whole lot of them. All of them are affected. All of them are affected. People's portfolios are bleeding now. But I would advise and tell you that just hold on, my dear. Just hold on. There's light at the end of the tunnel. This is just a phase, okay? This is just a phase. Definitely sooner than later, sooner than we expect, sooner than you can even think of. With Bitcoins halving coming up in August and a whole lot of things, the whole lot of out of over the $5 billion that these people have earmarked, just a small amount has just been put in, and we're seeing this kind of fluctuation. Imagine when all of them are settled and they are ready to push this market. Bitcoin will beat its all-time high. I'm telling you with confidence. If care is not taken, Bitcoin might reach $100,000 this year. If care is not taken, Bitcoin will reach $100,000 and even go beyond it this year. Just mark my words. All right. So, guys, in whatever you do, just hold your. I don't want this video to be too long. Hold your confidence. Don't lose your confidence. Hold it in high regards, and keep trading and keep following this channel for more insights. Okay. My name is Chukwemeka Miracle. So, like, come away in our next video. Thanks for liking our videos. Thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and thanks for sharing your comments, your questions, whatever it is that you have. If you have any project you want us to look into for you, we are always available. Our DM is available. All right. Till I come away in the next video, my name is Chukwemeka Miracle, and this is bye for now.